One of the ways I try to lessen my carbon footprint and minimal waste is reusability. So having washable cloths is super vital to me, especially great quality ones that I can use for years. So when it comes to cleaning windows and mirrors, I find it absolutely crazy to use kitchen paper that just gets thrown out. It's such a waste of money. It's such a waste of trash. And it's just such a waste of, great trees. So get yourself some awesome glass cleaners. These cloths from Microfiber Wholesale are amazing. They're very soft, smooth to the touch. They're purposely made for glass and mirror, lint-free, washable, fantastic. I love them.